ignorant fucks. Your shit ain't hot. I'm tired of you rappers acting like you on top, talking all that gangster shit like you on the block. Don't you know this danger shit leave you in a box? You talking like you from the hood, boy, but you're not. Why you tryna be from the hood, boy? We tryna make it out. Shit get real right here. Ain't no safer route, so when it get real right here, your boss say carry out. You better pray and thank God that you ain't laid out, cause the city where I'm from really pull them K's out.
Hidalgo County Sheriff's Office has confirmed that 3 people have been shot in this neighborhood just east of Edinburg.
Run up in your safe house, cocky, let it spray out. Next day, homicide, lay it down and tape out. Edinburg, land of the real when hoes feelings hurt, aka Limbo Town, where we really put in work. Yes sir, known for blowing loud and we sit that surf, doing dirt. Snowflake the top game, I'm flipping surf. Ain't no motherfucking rookie in my section. We reckless out of Texas, ain't scared of the plexing. Ball fade, tatted up, brown skin complexion. I ride for my raza and I'll hit any direction. Ride for my people, I would die for my people. And if they got beef, I will slide for my people. You scared, go to church, cause we don't hide from no evil. We leave it up to God to decide where we go. Pussy. Hold up. Y'all thought I was finished? Shit, you got me fucked up. Look. Check it. Coming after everybody who said no. Fuck the throne, I don't need it, you can keep it, I want dough. I'm tryna stack my money up, some like the Lego. Go and act up, leave you sloppy red like some Jello. Hello, at your door, riding with my fellow. All blacked out, tight to catch a case fellow. Yellow, rock shit and taking all the elbows. And back to the spot and have my youngins go and sell dope. Life is a bitch, so I told her suck my dick while I'm getting to this money. And these suckers counterfeit, they ain't buy shit. Talking money, but they broke, ain't got shit. I'm on some nice shit, no surrender when I cock this.